Jai Mata Di everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel R for Rohit Arora Sir Classes. Today's topic is Thevenin theorem. Okay, and in this numerical, this 12 ohm resistance, this is the load resistance. Okay, this 12 ohm resistance is a load resistance. Now, our step number one is that open circuit the load resistance. इट मीन्स दैट जो हमारे पास लोड रेजिस्टेंस वाली ब्रांच है उस ब्रांच को आप ओपन कर दीजिए. नाउ अगेन सर्किट बनाना है. दिस सर्किट इज लाइक दैट. नाउ दिस ब्रांच इज ओपन. देन आफ्टर दैट दिस इज अ करंट सोर्स, independent current source. Now, after that, analyze the circuit. Okay, after that, analyze the circuit, how this circuit will be solved. Okay, or is there any modification in the circuit? Now, what I am thinking that this modification, this is a current source 15 ampere and this is a 18 ohm resistance. Now, what I am doing for easiness, step number 2, redesign. Okay, redesign this circuit. Now, here I am doing, okay, redesign this circuit. Now, this 15 ampere and 18 ohm resistance. Okay, now multiply this 15 into 18. Now this comes 270 volt. Okay, now this resistance, 18 ohm resistance, and the voltage 270 volt. Okay, and 18 ohm. Okay, this 270 volt कैसे आया? This 15 into 18 comes to 270 volt. Okay, now after that, this 9 ohm resistance, now convert into voltage, that is 90. Now arrow is downward, so I am taking like that. Okay, this is 90 volt, correct? Now, okay, this is my open circuit, or we can do like that also, change these points, because every branch is in the parallel. Okay, now the drop across, because our step is step number 3, find ETH. ETH is a drop. Now drop is across this 9 ohm resistance and this 90 volt, correct? Now how to find the ETH? ETH is equal to I into R phenomena. First of all, I into R plus this voltage. Okay, now first of all calculate the current that passes across the 9 ohm resistance. Okay, now how to find it? What I am doing, apply KVL. Okay, now current is like that, plus minus like that. Okay, now minus a plus, that is 270 volt, plus a minus 18. Let's suppose I am taking this I. Okay, then after that plus minus 9. Okay, this is I. Then after that 9I. Then after that minus a plus 90 equal to 0. Now 270 plus 90, that is a 360, minus 18 minus that is plus 18 and 9, that comes to 27I equal to 0. Now this 360 is equal to 27i, and this 360 divided by 27 is equal to I. Now this value is 360 divided by 27. That is 13.33. The current I is 13 point, it's 13 point, okay. 13.33 ampere. Okay. Now, this I current passes through this 9 ohm resistance. Okay. Now, ETH is, it means 9 into I minus to plus 90 volt. It means that minus 90. Okay. It means 9 into I, that is 13.33 minus 90. How much it is? This is 30 volt. Okay. 30 volt ETH. Correct? Now, after that, the next step is step number 4 is find the RTH. Okay, step number 4, find RTH. RTH stands for Thevenin resistance. This is a Thevenin resistance. Okay, now circuit is, this is 18, okay, 18 ohm resistance, 270 volt short circuited. Then after that, this 9 ohm resistance. Okay, these two are the points. Okay, and one more thing, this 18 ohm and 9 ohm, or we can draw like that also, because every branch is in the parallel. Okay, now how to calculate this RTH? These two branches are in parallel, so पैरेलल के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, 18 into 9 divide by 18 plus 9. Okay, for the parallel, same as in this step also. So how much is the value? That is 18 multiplied by 9, that is 162, divide by this 27. Okay, how much it is? 6 ohm. Correct. Now our last step is step number 5, find ITH. Okay, ITH, how to calculate this ITH? The circuit is same, कोई भी सर्किट होगा, कैसा भी सर्किट होगा, लास्ट सर्किट आपका एज इट इज ही बनेगा. Now this is our load resistance, this is the RTH, and this is the ETH. Okay, now the formula is ITH is equal to ETH upon RTH plus RL. Correct. Now the value of RL is 12 ohm, RTH is 6 ohm, and ETH is 30. So ETH is 30, RTH is 6 plus 12. It means that 30 divided by 18. Correct? Now this is 30 divided by 18, that comes to 1.66 ampere. Okay, this is the value of current, and this is the answer. Okay, by the help of this we calculate the current. Okay, Now thank you so much for watching this video regarding the Thevenin theorem. Be in touch. और अगर आपको लगता है ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत अच्छी है और लगता है बेनिफिशियल है चैनल, देन सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. थैंक यू. जय माता दी एवरीवन.